The judge promised to give the jury a protective instruction based on Edwards versus State. It would have told them, if the shooting was unintentional and self-inflicted, they couldn't convict Jason of murder or manslaughter. But that instruction was never given. Instead, the jury was left to convict Jason on a theory the court had previously agreed would not hold. A promise made in court, quietly broken in the final moments. After all the evidence was in, after the trial was over, the prosecution introduced a brand new theory. That Jason caused a suicide, not a murder. He wasn't charged with that. He wasn't tried on that. And his defense was never allowed to prepare for that. The jury was handed a brand new accusation at the end of trial, with no defense, no notice, and no constitutional foundation. That's not justice. That's ambush. There was no testimony that Jason acted recklessly. Not a single witness said he encouraged, pressured, or coerced her to pull the trigger. And yet, recklessness became the legal basis for his conviction. They didn't prove it. They just suggested it. And the jury, lacking any guidance or guardrails, filled in the rest themselves.
In criminal law, when a person makes a voluntary choice that leads to their own death, it breaks the chain of causation. It's called a supervening cause. In Jason's case, her independent actions should have broken any criminal liability, but the jury was never told to consider that. They were told Jason's presence was enough. His silence, his sorrow, his being there, that's not how the law works, but it's how Jason was convicted. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and comment. Check out the website thishappenedinalabama.com.